Now we are going to learn about human heart and its structure. So human heart is basically an organ which pumps blood, and it supplies blood to all over the body through blood vessels. So throughout our life our heart pumps, and through pumping only blood is supplied to each and every part of body, and each and every cell of the body can get oxygen and utilize that oxygen for oxidation of food. Understood? And size of human heart is around the size of our fist, and its length is around 12 centimeter and breadth is around 9 centimeter. Weight of human heart is around 250 gram to 300 gram, and it beats 60 to 80 times per minute throughout our life, continuously, non-stop. It works non-stop. हम सो रहे हैं, जाग रहे हैं, कुछ भी कर रहे हैं, every time our heart works. Okay, now look at the diagram of human heart. So human heart is having 4 chambers, 2 left chamber and 2 right chamber. Upper left chamber is called left atrium and lower left chamber is called left ventricle. Upper right chamber is called right atrium and lower right chamber is called right ventricle. So basically from all over the body, vena cava brings impure blood, and impure blood enters in the right auricle, okay, right atrium, and from right atrium it pumps towards the right ventricle. Then from right ventricle it goes towards the pulmonary artery, exceptional artery, right, that carries impure blood from right ventricle to lungs for purification. After that, after purification, pulmonary vein carries pure blood, oxygenated blood from lungs, and it's applied towards the left atrium, then left ventricle, then from left ventricle it goes towards the aorta main artery, and through aorta main artery it's another smaller arteries, then all over the body the pure blood is supplied. Okay, so in this way the blood circulation takes place through our heart. So basically what happens, from all over the body the giant vein, that is called vena cava, this is the largest vein, okay, take impure blood. So basically what happens, all the veins carries impure blood and finally supplies it to vena cava, that is the giant vein, and vena cava supplies it to right atrium. Then blood goes towards the right ventricle. From right ventricle it pumps towards the pulmonary artery, and pulmonary artery carries that blood to lungs for purification. And then pulmonary vein carries pure blood from lungs and supplies it to left atrium, then left ventricle, then from left ventricle pure blood is supplied to aorta, that is the main artery, biggest artery, and through aorta it supplies to the other arteries, smaller arteries, and finally reach to each and every part of body, correct? So in this way blood supply is pumped towards the all over the body, and basically the heartbeat that we listen is due to the pumping of the valves. There are valves found between the right auricle, right ventricle, and left auricle, and left atrium and left ventricle, okay, atrium or auricle and ventricle. Okay, so these valves basically pumps the opening. Due to the opening and closing of the valve we can listen the heartbeat. And here is also valve found between the pulmonary artery and right ventricle, and between the left ventricle and this aorta. Okay, so finally in this way the blood is supplied. Impure blood comes to heart and pure blood is supplied to all over the body, and in this way heart works. You can see between these two, left and right side part of the heart, there is a muscular wall that is called septum. This septum divides left side of heart and right side of heart, and the heart is surrounded by one more muscular layer. That muscular layer basically protects the heart from any kind of jerk, any kind of injury, and a fluid is also found in this layer of the heart, in this outer covering of the heart, that protects heart from any kind of friction, jerk, and in fact it protects it during if we meet any accident in that case also. Correct? I hope you understood the structure of heart. Now you look at the screen.